How to create a private draft with friends. If you are looking to create a private draft with friends on Underdog Fantasy, now, while Underdog Fantasy offers a variety of exciting fantasy sports contests, creating private drafts with friends is unfortunately not currently a feature that they support. This likely stems from their focus on a unique, user-friendly experience centered around their best ball format and pick 'em contest. Underdog Fantasy's core strength lies in its simplified best ball approach, where players draft once and let the platform handle the rest. This streamlined process eliminates the need for complex league management tools often associated with traditional private drafts. Additionally, the pick'em contests cater to a different audience seeking quick, casual prediction-based gameplay. For now, fantasy enthusiasts seeking private drafts can explore alternative platforms like ESPN, Yahoo, or Sleeper, which offer robust league management tools and customization options. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.